So if you're covering your tracks, one thing you want to do is make sure there's no log of your activities. So we could use our Meterpreter session to clear the event log. Go to Kali, open up Metasploit, and get yourself a Meterpreter session on Server 2016. You can reuse your Eternal Blue settings, just up arrow, or create a new one. Use SMB PSExec. Use the exploit Windows SMB PSExec. Give it a Windows x64 Meterpreter reverse TCP payload. Set the remote host to Windows 2016. Put in an SMB username and password, the administrator with their password. And then, of course, set the listener host to you, Kali. So make sure you've got that, and make sure that you have a Meterpreter prompt. All right. Now, when we type ? To see what we can do, and by the way, if we sysinfo, press enter, we can see that we're still on Server 2016. We're still on our target. If we press ? press enter, and we look around, we did some timestamp. We had fun with that. We've done hash dumping. Let's see, what have we done? Oh, we've played with a variety of things, but somewhere in here is going to be something called clear EV. There it is. Clear the event log. Now, I'm very sorry to say that at the moment, clear the event log wipes the whole thing out. It's not like selective line by line. So if we clear EV, it's kind of a bull in a china shop here, but you know, that's kind of fun because it'll mess things up, won't it? Just press enter, and it wiped out the application system and security logs. Boom, wiped them all out. Once upon a time in Windows 2000, there used to be an event log editor that you could edit line by line, which was very stealthy. Unfortunately, Metasploit doesn't do that. Let's go back to Server 2016, and let's just refresh the view. Look at that. It's all gone, except for the fact that the log was cleared. And by the way, who cleared the log? The administrator? Oh, really? Okay, what about security? Cleared by the administrator. What about the application? Not even anything in the application. So, now that's an extremely obvious thing to do, but we also did it by framing the administrator, so that's kind of cool. So that is how we can cover our tracks, by clearing the event logs.